काम करो अपना, काम करो। नहीं, बाहर क्यों जाना है? बाहर तो बारिश हो रही है।
You need to whip out your monsoon skincare routine, girl, because
Hi guys, this is Boss Lady Shruti, and with monsoon literally right around the corner, and I feel it's not even around the corner because hello, we already experienced a huge cyclone here in Mumbai. So I feel especially after that my skin has been like,
yo, you need to whip out your monsoon skincare routine, girl, because your skin really needs some TLC and the love and care.
I just wanted to share with you guys a couple of tips and tricks that I like to do, especially in the monsoon, to give my skin the much needed hydration that it deserves. And I feel like with monsoon, it's a very tricky kind of a season because it is so humid and it's like there's so much moisture in the air that I say your skin kind of feels a little chip, but at the same time your skin really needs hydration. So to start off my monsoon TLC for my skin, I first like going in with a very simple face pack. So I'll start off with just quickly washing my face and going right into my kitchen and getting just two ingredients, which is banana and curd. I really like this especially because I always have ripe bananas at home, and the ones that are too ripe to eat but you feel bad that you don't want to throw away, I literally just put them on my face. I'm not even kidding you. So I just mash them up, put it on my face and keep it for about 10 minutes, not more than that, and wash it off. What this does is it gives your skin a really nice sort of a energy boost. After I'm done using this face pack, I like to directly go to my favorite thing on earth, and at this point you are not repeating what I'm going to say along with me. I'm going to be pissed. Okay. After I'm done with my face pack, I actually like keeping my skincare routine pretty simple because I don't want to overload my skin with a lot of products, especially in the monsoon. You guys know how much I love my hyaluronic acid, and the one that I've been using ever since its launch is the L'Oreal Paris 1.5% hyaluronic acid. And the great thing is that they have actually introduced their hyaluronic acid gel creme as well. And let me tell you, it is such a boon for acne prone oily skin because the texture of it is just amazing. I mean, I don't have to tell you how much I love the hyaluronic acid serum. So honestly, in my opinion, this is going to be a powerful skincare duo. As you know, the texture of the serum is really lightweight and non-sticky, and it also gets absorbed into the skin really quickly. I have obviously shown you time and again how much of a difference it has made in my skin, and hyaluronic acid is such a magic ingredient that it really makes your skin feel plump and hydrated and supple because it's literally so lightweight, absorbs into the skin really quickly, and it really gives my skin like that plump, youthful, happy kind of a feeling. Because my skin feels so hydrated and youthful after I've worn it. So now that L'Oreal has introduced their hyaluronic acid gel creme, I knew that I really wanted to incorporate that also in my skincare routine. So I have actually tried a bunch of hyaluronic acid, creams, a couple of them here and a bunch of them back in UAE as well. But when I tried this one, I fell in love. Honestly, I'll tell you why. Because the texture of this is it's very unique. The other ones can feel a little like watery of sorts, but this one actually feels like a gel creme. When you put it on your face, it has that pearly, velvety sort of a finish which glides on your face very, very smoothly. And the great part about hyaluronic acid is that it can hold 1,000 times its weight in water, which is most essential for maintaining moisture in your skin. And I feel hyaluronic acid is a dermat's favorite ingredient, and actually it became my favorite ingredient because it was my dermat's favorite ingredient. So anything with hyaluronic acid, I'm just like, give it to me right now. And this gel creme has micro hyaluronic acid which kind of deeply penetrates into your skin to give you the results on your skin that you are looking for. And I actually like the packaging of this also. It looks really premium, and nice when I see it laying in my bathroom. Like it feels like it's calling out to me. Ooh, it's purple, it's beautiful, it's pearly. So I like to keep my skincare pretty basic when it comes to monsoon. I will, after I've done with a little bit of home care, I first go in with my hyaluronic acid serum. So I ensure that my skin is slightly damp when I apply my hyaluronic acid, because when you do that, it kind of has that moisture to hang on to. And after the serum, I go in straight with L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Gel Creme and finish off my skincare routine with that, because the cream coming on top not only adds its own goodness to the skin but also traps in all the products underneath it to make the ingredients even more effective. So it kind of traps all the products inside your skin and says, do your job. Do your job right now. Do it, I say. Like, you know how your moms would be like, nahi, homework karo. तुम्हें बाहर जाने नहीं मिलेगा. नहीं, homework finish करो तो ही. So that's what this also does. They'll be like, नहीं, काम करो अपना. काम करो. नहीं, बाहर क्यों जाना है? बाहर तो बारिश हो रही है. घर पे काम करो. So that's kind of my little skincare update that I do during the monsoons to give my skin the TLC that it needs during this season.
The great thing about both of these products is that you can actually use it all year round and it is suitable on all skin types.
That's also the reason why I like looking at ingredients first rather than just sort of products. I feel like as an informed consumer, that's what you should be doing. And hyaluronic acid is honestly that magic ingredient that is going to help your skin feel plump and hydrated, especially in monsoons. And the reason why honestly I've been so kind of pro these products is because they're also very, very affordable. The L'Oreal Paris 1.5% hyaluronic acid comes in two sizes, 15 ml and 30 ml. So I guess that one is for like $4.99 and one is for $9.99. And the hyaluronic acid gel creme, it also comes in 15 ml and 50 ml, which is also priced at $4.99 and $9.99. So you can always try out the smaller version of these to see if you like it. Honestly, if you're anything like me and if you have skin like me, you're going to love these products. So if you get the small one, I kid you not, you're going to get the bigger one in no time. But of course, you want to check it out, you can check out the smaller one. You can check out you can get the 15 ml one to see if it works on your skin and it actually gives you the results. And I honestly at this point, I don't even know how many bottles of hyaluronic acid my skin has just So that's why I feel like these products would be a great option for you guys to go for. I will leave purchase links for both the products down in the description box, so you can definitely check them out as well. And let me know if you guys have any particular hacks and stuff for monsoon that you can you would want to give me, because I am always looking to up my skincare game. Because as you get older, I feel you really tend to put more value on skincare than makeup. So please let me know in the comments down below what your go-to monsoon skincare hacks or something that you have are. And yes, subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy. Mwah.